Hello guys, welcome back to My Dreams Academy. Guys, today we will start and discuss important topic chemical synapses. Guys, exactly what is the meaning of the synapse guys? Simply we can say synapses is a gap junction between the two neuron, right now, where exactly transmission of the impulse will be occur, right now. So transmission of impulse from the presynaptic membrane to postsynaptic membrane, right now. So synapses is what guys? Synapses is a process, right now. A synapse is what? Gap between the two neuron, clear, where transmission of the impulse occur. There are two type of the synapse guys, that is called the chemical synapses and electrical synapses. Actually electrical synapses is a faster than chemical synapses right now, but electrical synapses are rare found in our system right now. Chemical synapses guys little bit what guys? Slow compared to the electrical synapses. So we'll discuss about guys chemical synapses in detailed form right now. So guys, chemical synapses, this is about of guys presynaptic membrane right now. Presynaptic membrane, clear? Presynaptic membrane, right? And guys this one is known as a what guys? Postsynaptic membrane. Presynaptic membrane and postsynaptic membrane. Postsynaptic membrane have a receptor guys right now, known as a what? Acetylcholine receptor or neurotransmitter receptor right now. So this one is known as a presynaptic membrane. Presynaptic membrane right now. This is called what guys? Postsynaptic membrane. Postsynaptic membrane, clear? This one is known as a what guys? Receptor. Those receptor found in a postsynaptic membrane region, clear? Guys, this is called in between the presynaptic membrane and postsynaptic membrane synaptic cleft. Synaptic cleft right now, clear? Guys, the presynaptic membrane have a vesicles, right? Vesicles. These vesicles is actually filled with what guys? Filled with neurotransmitter, right? Neurotransmitter, clear? Neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitter in form of acetylcholine. Actually guys there are two type of neurotransmitter, right? Inhibitory neurotransmitter and regulatory neurotransmitter. So regulatory neurotransmitter, the best example is acetylcholine, and inhibitory transmitter is a best example of what guys? That is called the GABA, GABA, right now. Now guys presynaptic membrane have mitochondria for energy right now. So it's about what guys? Mitochondria. Guys, it's axon terminal part. Axon terminal, clear or not guys right now? Okay, and this is about of the postsynaptic membrane. Guys, how chemical synapses will be occur? Guys, chemical synapses in the sense what guys? When action potential generate guys, AP means what guys? Action potential on presynaptic membrane, right? So guys, when action potential generate, then what happen? Some ions will be actually enter into the presynaptic membrane. Which ion guys? Mostly calcium ion will be there. So this calcium ion will be enter into where guys? Presynaptic membrane. Due to entry of calcium ion guys, these vesicles will be what guys? These vesicles will be burst, right? Vesicles have what? Vesicles have acetylcholine. So this acetylcholine will be releases from presynaptic membrane, means what guys? Particular from the vesicle region, and finally these neurotransmitter reached in where guys? Synaptic cleft region, clear? After that guys, this acetylcholine bind where guys? Receptor of the postsynaptic membrane. Is that clear or not guys right now? Guys, during that time what will be happen? Guys, some ion channel will be open. Which ion guys? Some ion channel will be open, like sodium ion channel will be open right now, and during that time guys potential will be generated, and the generated potential is known as EPSP guys, excitatory postsynaptic potential. Is that clear? And after that guys, transmission of the impulse occur in a postsynaptic membrane from the presynaptic membrane. Is that clear? Finally guys, when transmission completed, then after that what happened guys, inhibitory neurotransmitter, that is a GABA, right? And inhibitory neurotransmitter GABA, that move toward the postsynaptic membrane and bind with what guys, bind with the receptor of postsynaptic membrane. This GABA actually block, that GABA actually block entry of what guys, entry of impulse, entry of what guys, entry of the impulse, right now, or simply you can say block the pathway, right now. So it is stop what guys, it stop the transmission of impulse guys. Clear or not? Right now guys, this during the time of binding also here guys, one channel will be open, chloride channel will be open guys, right now, and here also one potential will generate, that is called the IPSP, that is called inhibitory postsynaptic potential. Is that clear guys? So this is a complete about of transmission of impulse in the sense what guys, chemical synapses. Right now in next video guys, we'll discuss about of the central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, autonomic nervous system, and what guys, somatic nervous system. So have a nice day guys, we'll meet in next video. Thank you.